Ask for all the evicted housemates to meet me up here on stage. Thank you. All the evicted housemates. A round of applause for our housemates, please. First on the list is Eka. Followed by UK. We have I. We have Josh, man. A round of applause for them, please. Okay, DJ, thank you. Good evening, housemates. So, Eka, how has it been so far in the house for you?
Oh my God. Okay, it's been very amazing in the house. Like, I don't even know how to feel, right? It's been really amazing though. Like all the training, the time management, the learning, the growth. It's been so amazing. I thank One House for the great opportunity. Like I'm so grown right now. Like my mind is already widened. My eyes are open to new things, and going out, I know that I'm going to do exploit. Like I'm going to do great things because of what I know from here. Thank you.
Okay, please over there. UK the sailor. So what are you going to miss most about the house?
I'm going to miss One House voice. The stress of waking up every morning, not knowing what you're going to be doing next. I'm going to miss the task because when you wake up one morning and you are an artist, the next morning you are a model, the next morning you are an architect, the next morning you are something else. The intrigue and the time that you wait for your results after you've done your task is always very intriguing to hear what One House will come up with. I'm going to miss all that and all the housemates. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ike, I want you to explain all your experience in the house in just one sentence.
Noisy. Like, I'm really grateful for this privilege. I've learned a lot, man. I've learned a lot in this house. I'm really going to miss the tax. Everyday tax. I'm always anticipating for it. Every day and every tax, I do learn one thing every day. It's really a great experience. I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. I. Josh, man, I heard you were the first head of house, right?
Yes.
So, how was that feeling like?
Oh, well, winning the first task in the house, really blew my mind away. That, wow, so there is this winner in me. And it was a beginning of, breaking record for me. And I felt so happy about it.
Okay. So, yeah, you have it, your first evicted housemate. So, from One House to you all, I wish you the best in your endeavor out there. So, please, you may leave the stage. Okay, our viewers at home, you've seen your first evicted housemates.
That housemate is no other than Eka. Please make your way outside.
Thank you very much, Eka. Easy Daniel is here waiting for you. A round of applause for Eka, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, that's the spirit. Joining Eka is The next housemate to be evicted from 1HOUSE TV show.
Wow. Wow. After watching this clip, I think I'm going to come in as a housemate next year because what? These people know how to grind. So without wasting much of your time, because we've already spent a lot of it, so apologies. Well, we would like to go into the second segment of our eviction show. So, over to you, 1HOUSE. Let's hear you do your thing.
Yeah,